about 20 minutes into my burn, and I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings. So you can see it's a very, very small fire in the front. It's burning down to a bed of coals. I did have the stove completely wide open, okay? So my damper control is pulled completely out, and 20 minutes is a pretty good amount of time for how much wood I have left in there. So I'm just gonna give you a few temperature readings so you know where you should be at when you're breaking your stove in. Directly over the firebox, we have 300 degrees. Directly over the oven, we've got about 180 degrees. Over our water reservoir, it's an 80-degree temperature. Our oven thermometer is reading about 250 degrees, and by the way, because I'm doing my first burn, my oven is not actually activated. So front glass is reading 366 degrees. The far side of the water reservoir is going to be reading 75, and then your firebox side of the stove is at 100-degree temperature. I'm going to take a temperature on the rear heat shield here. And on the back of the heat shield, we got a 92-degree temperature. So today we're gonna do a little bit of baking. My fire is pretty low, actually, because I'm going to be baking cookies, which bake at like 350. So I started the fire earlier today because it was pretty cold, and just kind of let the fire die out to keep that temperature. So I'm gonna give you guys some oven readings. So right now, my temperature in my oven is saying like 315 degrees. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some more accurate measurements. Rear of the oven is 110. Side of the oven, 237. And the left-hand side, 249. So pretty good oven temperature as far as range goes. Bottom of the oven's at 220 degrees. So actually, now I know my oven's not quite hot enough to bake some cookies. So after I bake cookies, well, before I can bake my cookies, I actually need to get my fryer going a little bit more, so I'm gonna add some wood to it. Your damper control is located at the bottom, right down here. So I do have it pulled out all the way, but it looks like I need to add a little bit more wood to the fire. Hey guys, I'm ready to do some stovetop cooking. So I don't even have my hottest fire going. I really just have like a medium fire going. I would say like 2 really small pieces of wood in there that are burning nice and hot and clean. Right now I'm gonna give you guys some medium fire temperature readings. So I'll start here with the middle of the cooktop. I've got 420 degrees, center cook plate, 270, far side is about 220, okay? All right, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed our cooking and baking videos on the J.A. Roby Cookstoves. I get a lot of questions about like temperature readings and how it is to cook and bake. So I hope you guys really enjoy seeing this before you decide to make a purchase. If you have any questions about cookstoves, don't hesitate to reach out. If you enjoy our videos, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like them, share them with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for all of our latest videos. Check us out on social media as well. We have a pretty awesome Facebook page going. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.